So another question I've had from a viewer on when to take profits. Let's go through the question in some detail, shall we? Okay. Hi Alpesh, just contacting you regarding the stock HubSpot, which I bought on your hedge fund pick. Uh, Remember, the hedge fund pick are new thing that we're doing in the Great Investments program, where we look at hedge funds which have generated at least 40% per annum for the last 3 years at least. Look at the stocks which they're currently holding and see if they meet our filters of value, growth, income, and so on. Anyway, it has since gone up over 30%. I started with a 50% allocation, and because it went up, I added the additional 50% allocation on your recommendation of adding two winners. All the data looks really good for a further potential breakout. Also, it isn't overbought and seems to be quite rare to find at the moment. Yes, finding non-overbought stocks is, though I've done a video on what's actually happening in the market at the moment where things which are slightly overbought are continuing at a higher trend. I'm thinking of doubling my allocation on this stock, as I saw one of your posts that said when a stock market is like this at the moment, you add to winning stocks. Yeah, well, I did say that, and I said it, I meant it in the sense that it's slightly lazy of me to add to what's working rather than adding to new and original ones all the time. So what I'd say with that is, because I'm being asked, is that uh, a sensible move? Of course, the risk you're taking is you're adding concentration. Whenever you're adding concentration to an existing position, you've got to watch it more diligently. It's like adding leverage. And the more leverage there is, more concentration there is, more closely you've got to watch it. Put in the words of Warren Buffett, uh, put all your eggs in one basket and then watch the basket. Okay, if you don't put all your eggs in one basket, you don't need to watch the basket. So no issues with that. What I'm also going to do, because this is a Great Investments Program client, is I'm going to do a stock report, which is a new thing also we're doing on the program, just trialing it as a beta, where we have a detailed stock report, and I'm going to do one on HubSpot just in terms of projections, our analysis, and downside risk, stop losses, make sure the reward to risk is 2 to 1, and so on. So I'm going to send that to the client as well. Uh, and that's where we are on that. Thank you everyone for listening.